sessions between government and opposition involves many debates, discussions, arguments. Later, they turn into fights. So, in these fights, what happened? No one knows. These fights will go to any extent that they even start abusing each other. And if you see in 1989, Tamil Nadu Assembly, Jayalalitha was physically assaulted by DMK party. Her saree was pulled and tore it, and finally things were thrown on her. She ended up in tears. So any type of rukus can happen between legislative members in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha or state assemblies. There is a rule in Lok Sabha that like minutes of meeting, MOM, done in every meeting, the speaker has to note down whatever the arguments or discussions happened in the Lok Sabha. Now the question is how to record quarrels between legislative members. Whatever the terms they use when they are abusing each other, how to include these terms in Lok Sabha records in the form of minutes of meeting. To avoid or delete indecent words from official records, the speaker is having a special power that is called expunction power. This power is used to maintain decorum and to keep parliamentary standards. Recently, Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar has removed the speech of Mallikarjun Kharge regarding Modi and RSS. Even Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has removed some words spoken by Rahul Gandhi while making remarks on PM Modi and BJP. However, the opposition claims that expunction hinders government ability to be accountable and also the freedom of speech given to MPs under Article 105 of Indian Constitution. The expunction powers are used in light of national interest, foreign relations and to keep military and religious dignity. However, once if they are published in newspaper, it can be a breach of privilege of the parliament. Despite taking many precautions and care using expunction powers, the parliament can't keep fights between MPs secret. Obviously, they will be revealed to the public by use of social media and live telecast nowadays.